Alright, so first off, we're going to start with the saw. See, it still has some wood in there, and it could use some cleaning up. I rely on this whenever I'm making a shelter. It's great for cutting pine boughs, taking down small trees. So you'll notice this is a cross-cut saw, and you can see how the teeth move in various directions. And when you take your file, you want to follow those lines. So this tooth here, right at my thumbnail, it's cut this way, so I'm going to follow those grooves with my file. I'm going to go down one side, and then I'll come back the opposite side on the other and give that a nice clean cutting edge. So what I'm going to do, if I can set this right here, so you can see, got my teeth on the saw. I'm going to use the angular file, and I am going to note the first way that the teeth are going is this way. That's going to go in there. I'm going to give it 1, 2, 3. This tooth goes this way, so then I'm going to turn the saw that way. And again, I'm dragging back on it. Then, so we've got teeth that are cutting this way, and we've got teeth that are cutting this way. So now we're going to come to this tooth. As you can see, this process just takes time. And you'll see where your cuts go. And how, as you sharpen, see here? Let me find it, darn it. That's really poor, but what you'll be looking for as this sharpens, you can see that little bit of glint there, and you'll definitely, as your knife gets sharper, well, saw rather, you'll be able to tell the difference from the ones that you have done to the ones that you haven't. And by the time she's done, I don't want any of this like wood material left in my saw, and I want all nice clean teeth. So I'm going to finish my saw up, and I'll get back to you on the knife.